right behind them. You can still. It's not so you can't hear it.
Alright, we're going to try and get this brown. Shit. I just slide on my ass all the way down. Oh, that's wet. That's cold. Here we go, guys. Straight behind him? I can't even see that flow. Okay. Alright. Yep. Oh, that was a rainbow. Yeah.
I'll land right on them.
Spook him or no?
Yeah.
Go on. Alright. I'll try and make it.
A little bit further, a little bit to the left, like a foot. In the middle of the bubble line.
Okay. He's hunting it.
Yeah. Did not want it. I'm trying to get him away from the ground.
Even that's a good size.
Yeah, it should be.
Healthy too.
But he's hungry. What do you want to do?
Dry flow.
Dry flow.
Big foam dry flow.
What? What?
Didn't even prick that time.
Yeah, what the fuck?
There's plenty of hook gap. I might have to.
Yeah, I'm hungry. Sorry. Coming.
There's...
Oh.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Okay, it's my fly. Oh, there he is. Yep. What is he doing? He's got to have a fuck mouth.
Oh my god.
He took it. He's a good size. Well done, mate. Nice. Still looks good there. Looks healthy.
Very healthy.
Yeah, well done.
Yeah, he's small.
Yeah, he's not the one. Oh!
He wasn't. He was on it.
Yeah, he was.
I don't know where it is. We're not at the rest of them. Detected.
Yep. Kelvin's on to a real beaut. They've all been really good condition, eh?
Yeah.
Mint, mate, mint. Yeah, mate. Beautiful fish. Catch fish when I don't want to. Not even looking. That's a nice jack.
It is not to say.
On the nymph.
Yeah.
So that's good. Jeez.
Strong.
Whoa. Just wants to keep me over that side. Oh yeah, he's just about ready. It's got some balls, man.
Nice and high.
Yep. Ready? No, not yet. Okay. Jeez. No, he still wants to. Oh, thank you.
Pretty quick.
Oh, beauty. Beautiful jack. Thank you for playing.
Nice colour, eh?
Yeah.
That's a big brown.
Big brown.
Big brown.
Okay, we got a. No, it's
Tail
not.
like a brown.
Oh, it is. We got a massive fish on here, guys. I don't know if you guys can get your camera out. Oh, fuck, don't.
Oh, come on. Yeah.
Oh, shit! He's on! Big rainbow. He went for the nymph. We got a massive fish on, guys, and I don't know what to do with it.
Alright, just play him from up here. Play him from up here. I'm just going to put my phone in here with him down here.
It's going towards the bank. I can't believe this. This is the biggest fish I've caught. I can't, I've got no control of him. Shit, look at the head on him. That could be a 10-pounder. Go get him, mate, please. Please, please, please. Yes! Whoops. Holy mo... How do I get down?
You're alright.
What a fish.
You can get down over there easy.
Unbelievable fish. Didn't put up much of a fight, but Just long as hell.
Yeah, it's really long.
Whoa.
Man, if he was in his prime, that's special.
Yeah. Wasted. Been in the wars. Thanks playing, mate. Jump. Oh. Wicked. Man, I saw him hit that hard. That was so cool. A pound and a half.
That's heavy. That's a good fighting.
Yeah, shit, yeah.
Oh, Kelvin.
Mate, what are you doing?
Yeah.
Gone. They woke him up. Oh, alright. No worries. Oh, thanks, mate.
Oh, jeez. Healthy fish.
Yep, I think.
Right now, that's where he is.
Okay.
He's looking at it? He's looking at it? Oh!
Yep.
Fuck, that was fish. Alright, now I gotta get down here. If you want, you can cross. It's not too deep in front of you there.
Yeah, should be alright.
I just need to get down.
Oh, beauty.
I don't know if there's a down.
Oh,
I think there's a rainbow in there.
took my nymph.
Oh, that was sick, though.
That was awesome.
Fucking hell. This feels huge, man.
It's big. Oh, it is that one, big one. Take your time. Wow. It's long. Bro,
That is actually donkey.
that's a healthy one.
It's so heavy, man.
Yeah, it looks like.
She's just swimming with ease, eh?
Yeah, that's a real donk.
Is that second time?
You should be alright.
Oh, bro. Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, that's gorgeous, mate.
Thanks. What a fish.
That's gorgeous. Well done. Still best of the day.
I'm happy as, eh? Big jump?
See the jump on that? You'll be able to land them in that soft water. You alright? Shit.
Pretty healthy fish.
Good condition fish. It's been pretty much rainbows so far. Oh, nice, mate. And the fish wins.
Cast to the right a bit more. To the right a bit more. Yeah, that'll be good. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, bro. Fucking, ooh. Fucking massive. Oh!
Oh no! Oh, oh no.
Nah, that did. Whoa. I just lost one and then I just ran it over the same spot and onto another one now. Slightly smaller, but still.
Third of the size.
Third of the size, yeah. Oh, shit. Cheers.
Last one.
Cool. Yeah? Mate. Is it? It is. Might be onto a brown. Oh, it is. Okay. Do you want a hand? Mate. It's still a brown, man. That's where that drop off is. Go the other way. Oh, beautiful spots. Wow, that has to be one of the most beautiful coloured browns I've seen in a while. We're golden. Sweet. See you later, buddy. Thanks for playing. And he disappears.
Fuck, he disappears quick, eh? Man.
Did you get him in that bubble water or
No,
just on the side of it?
I think I dragged him out from the bubble water.
Oh yeah.
The first time I missed him when you were on your phone. And then I think he just hadn't gone back into it.
Nice. It's just hanging over its eye, isn't it? Sweet.
Cool fish.
See you later, buddy. Boom. Into the depths. Kelvin's onto a little one. Just absolutely slammed the worm there. Oh my goodness.